Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you replace the ABS wheel speed sensor on this vehicle. This wheel speed sensor is damaged up here. It's been all fried and frayed around, so we're going to go over how you replace it. So first there's an amount, we've got to remove this portion of the wheel well cover. So there's two screws that are right down here into the bumper. There's a push pin or two. There's a couple push pins over here, which are those plastic push pins. And there's one there and one up here. And then you do have one that's right here in the top of the well. You remove those push pins and stuff to remove this wheel well. Clearly I've left something down there, so let me get that. Alright, so there was two push pins I left down there on accident, and then you'll want to remove this. So right here is where the wheel speed sensor goes into the hub itself to read the speed. And so this is a number 10 millimeter that we'll need to loosen and remove. And then just kind of rock it back and forth to get it loose, or just tap it down, and then you'll be able to pull it out. And then we're going to work our way here, and this grommet pulls toward you to remove, and then we have this grommet right here to pull out. We've got another one right here. Right up here we have a plastic push clip. Whereas the new one comes with new ones. So just get it to come out. So we're going to work our way. We've got one here. Undo. And then we have electrical connection up here that we need to, we press the tab and we pull it undone. Alright, so we take our new one. It came with completely new connectors, or push clips. So you're going to connect this one up there just by pushing it in, and then up here is where it attaches, and then we feed this down here and push that in. Down to there. So then we've got the one right here, put that in there. Then we've got this same thing, we work this one, and this one went under the brake line and comes back up. Press that grommet into there. We come around the strut, grommet into this one, and then we just take this end here, put it in the hole there, in there. Get our size 10 bolt and tighten that on. And so that's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.